Welcome back, guys. Today was a pretty good day. Lots of lessons learned. The portfolio didn't rise at all. It actually fell, but it's okay. We learned lessons, and I didn't make the same mistakes that I had made yesterday in the context of kind of gambling with the market. Today, uh, we I'm down $1,930.75 to a total balance of $98,052.74. Today, what I tried to do was really watch the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq and make trades based off of that. And also, I did do a little bit of revenge trading in the beginning of the day with OKLO, which I ended up losing about $2,000 on. The big news for today was that eToro had its IPO, and I was able to secure a $536.75 trade on that. However, when I tried to buy back in, there were some really big sellers that ended up selling off, and so my stop loss got taken. My stop losses today were a little bit aggressive, and you can see that here with AMD, also here with OKLO, and also with eToro here, IXHL here, and then with Tesla here. So I'm really trying to figure out how to do this stop loss. There is an option for trailing stop losses, which I will be trying to utilize over the coming days. And also on my public account, I am starting options trading and hope to see some gains there. I'm seeing fairly substantial gains in Tesla and in Nvidia, based on what stocks I am looking at. But here is the kicker. As we ended the day, the prop firm does close all transactions 10 minutes before the market close. So, what's interesting with that is that overall with AMD, I lost in the very beginning of the day because the market kind of tanked right on the open. But then I made a solid $30 here with 200 shares. And I also made another $178 here. So I ended up kind of going all in, or at least half in on the total amount of my account at 117.56. And right after the prop firm closed, right after the automatic closure of any trades, the price spiked back up to 117.66, which was, it's pretty sad to see, but now I know and I learned, and I can better adjust in the future. So just as an exercise, if I hadn't have revenge traded OKLO from my losses yesterday, I would be at a 60. So I would be at $100,000 even, just above it. So about $50 up, from yesterday. So keep those trades tight. Keep them safe. When you can take profit, take profit. Set a marker for yourself. Set rules. The one I always have to keep in mind is the market doesn't care. It'll eat you alive. And today I learned that not all stop losses are great, as they can prevent you from taking profit, but also that I need to stay away from the IPOs and the small cap buys. So I'll be utilizing that, in the months to come, or in the weeks to come at least. All right, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.